Good morning and welcome to another reading assembly. Today you'll have me, Mr. Skerritt, reading you the story Don't Worry Little Crab by Chris Horton. Now before we start, I want you to have a think about the title, Don't Worry Little Crab. And what do you think is going to happen in the story? Can you predict what is going to happen to Little Crab? Little Crab and Very Big Crab live in a tiny rock pool. And today they're off to the sea. This is going to be so great, says Little Crab. They go tick, 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 tick over the rocks, splish, splash, splish, splash across the pools, and squelch, squelch, squelch through the slimy, slippery seaweed. Before I continue, do you know what we call it when a word imitates a sound? Like tick-a-tick, splish, splash, squelch. Can you think of any others? I can go anywhere, says Little Crab. And finally, they get to the very edge. Here we are, says Very Big Crab. The sea. Oh, says Little Crab. Why do you think Little Crab said "oh" like that? Oh. Do you think maybe he's a little bit frightened? Maybe it's better we don't go in the sea, says Little Crab. Don't worry, says Very Big Crab. It'll be okay. But the waves are getting bigger. Look, a huge wave. Hold tight. Here it comes. Whoosh. I think we've had enough of the sea now, says Little Crab. Let's just go a little bit further, says Very Big Crab. I think you'll like it. But the waves keep getting bigger and bigger. Another one. Hold tight. Here it comes. I don't think I like the sea, says Little Crab. Maybe we should go home. Don't worry, Little Crab, says Very Big Crab. I'm here. Come, just a few more steps. And Little Crab takes a step, then another, until... I'm in the sea, says Little Crab. But then they see an enormous wave. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Ready? Asks Very Big Crab. Little Crab nods. They take a deep breath. Here it comes. Are you ready? Down, down, down they go. Look, Little Crab. Everyone comes to say hello. My name is Little Crab, says Little Crab. And they eat delicious seaweed, they run all across the sea floor, and they have a giant game of hide and seek. I love the sea, says Little Crab. Yes, but it's time to go home now, says Very Big Crab. What? I really don't want to go home, says Little Crab. Well, how about we go the long way home, says Very Big Crab. Can we go up this way? Asks Little Crab. I think you can go anywhere, says Very Big Crab. And off they went. Well, I think that was a lovely story. I think Little Crab is very brave. Have you ever had to be brave? Has there ever been something that you were a bit scared to try because it seemed a bit new, a bit scary? I know I have. And I think sometimes we can all feel a bit like Little Crab, but deep down, we can all be very, very brave. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's book, and until next time, bye.